Today, let's explore the fascinating world of gender prediction during pregnancy. It's a topic that has intrigued expectant parents for generations, filled with myths, old wives' tales, and a dash of science. Many soon-to-be parents eagerly anticipate discovering the gender of their unborn baby. While modern technology has made it possible to determine gender through ultrasounds and genetic testing, cultural beliefs and traditional methods of prediction continue to thrive in various parts of the world. Ancient methods, such as the Chinese gender prediction chart, claim to predict a baby's gender based on the mother's age and the month of conception. Then there are old wives' tales passed down through generations. Tales like the high vs low belly or the heartbeat myth, which suggests that a faster heartbeat means it's a girl and a slower one indicates a boy. Yet, amidst these charming anecdotes, it's essential to acknowledge the scientific methods available today. Ultrasounds, typically performed around 18 to 20 weeks, have become a reliable way to determine a baby's sex. Additionally, non-invasive prenatal testing (NIPT) can detect fetal DNA in the mother's blood, providing accurate gender information as early as 10 weeks into the pregnancy. While the desire to know the baby's gender is understandable and exciting, it's equally crucial to remember that a child's gender goes beyond biology. Gender is a complex and personal aspect of identity that may not always align with assigned sex at birth. Understanding and supporting a child's journey in discovering their identity is a vital part of parenting. Some parents choose not to learn the gender until birth, embracing the joyous surprise when the baby arrives. Others celebrate the news early on, using it to bond with their growing baby. In the end, whether through ancient methods, modern technology, or by waiting for the big reveal, the anticipation and excitement surrounding the gender of a new family member remain a cherished part of the pregnancy journey.